Hi, today the how to copy trade in Ninjatrader for free has become my most watched video. Thank you very much. Looking back, I was actually quite appalled by the quality. Back then, I was very inexperienced with video editing and the microphone I used was a basic one. So, the quality was not as good. A few months has passed since then and I would like to think I have improved a little bit. Maybe with less nervousness in my speech or having a better mic. So, today I would like to improve on this particular video by showing you how to trade across multiple Rithmic accounts and multiple Ninjatrader accounts on the same computer for free. Alright, in addition, I'll throw in a bonus and teach you how to trade Rithmic account in Tradingview as well. Okay, let's start off with the very basics first. When you first start using Ninjatrader, you'll find that you are unable to connect to more than one Rithmic account. Why is this, you ask? Well, the reason for this is because Ninjatrader is a very old software and it wasn't built to have multiple connection when it was first programmed. With the rise of prop firms and the need for multiple trading connections, it's actually too late for them to program it unless they rebuild the whole Ninjatrader software from scratch. So, I will show you how I copy trade across multiple Rithmic connections and multiple Ninjatrader accounts in the past. Because of the way the software was programmed, each Ninjatrader can only accommodate one Rithmic connection, and that is an undisputable fact. Because of this, if you want to have multiple Rithmic connections, you need to have multiple Ninjatrader software installed on the same computer, which is also impossible to do. Because, like I said, Ninjatrader is a very old software, only one copy per computer. So, the premise is one computer, one Ninjatrader, one Rithmic connection. But here, I will show you how I copy trade with multiple Ninjatrader software on the same computer. This is what I did in the past. Imagine this house as a computer, and you are living inside the house, and you only stay by yourself in this house. Fine. So the entire house can only accommodate you. In this case, your home is Ninjatrader and you are Rithmic. But what if I can create separate rooms within this house? I'll split two rooms inside the house. Then there can be two persons living inside the room, one room per person, with each of them thinking they are living in a home. This is where Sandboxie comes in. So, you get where I'm getting at. All this software do is to create sandbox and makes the software in the sandbox think that they are in their own room. Best of all, Sandboxie is free. Just select the Sandboxie Classic option and you don't need to pay for any extra feature or anything. All you have to do is download this from the website, install it and activate it. This yellow box is the Sandboxie software and they have already created a default sandbox for you. Or if you want, you can create an additional version by clicking on create new sandbox over here. I usually create the sandbox with the name of the prop firm that I want to trade it in. In this case, I would like to go with, let's say, Tick Tick. Okay. Right. Now there's two versions of the sandbox. The first thing you should do is to right click and go to the settings. And in immediate recovery, uncheck enable immediate recovery. Do the same for all the sandboxes. Alright, and there you have it. It's good enough to use. So, if you want to use a Ninjatrader in a sandbox, you can either just take this and drag it over here, or you can go right click, show more options, and run sandbox. and it will ask you which version you want to use it in. Let's say I'm picking Tick for now. Okay. Right, so now it's opening a version of Ninjatrader. See? It's asking for my login details, and having this yellow border means that it is in the sandbox. If you want, you can change the option inside over here in the settings. Let me open another version, which is the original unsandbox version. There you have it. I have now opened 2 Ninjatrader accounts in my computer. Alright, let me pause the video for a while and I'll enter my login details. Voila! Now you have 2 Ninjatraders running on the same computer. In one of the Ninjatrader versions, you can see that this version is the sandbox one. Okay. In order for these 2 Ninjatraders to communicate with each other, so that when you do a trade in one version of the Ninja, it can copy the order to another version. You can use Replicanto to do so. That's right. For me, Replicanto is still the superior Ninjatrader copy trade plugin because of this feature. You have the node IP over here. If you follow the Replicanto manual, you can learn how to set up communication between these 2 instances of Ninjatrader. Do keep in mind that this is like treating it as a local network communication and not communication across the internet. That's why you do not need to pay for Replicanto remote credit for Ninjatrader to communicate across the different versions. However, you will need to set up the node and port number so that the sandbox version will listen to the master account. So, now that you know how I did it, what are the pros and cons of this approach? Well, the pros are that you can have unlimited Ninjatrader and Rithmic connection in the same computer. And because the communication is all within one computer itself, the communication between the few Ninjatrader accounts is very fast, and orders reflect quite instantly. What are the cons? First, you will need a Replicanto trade copier for this to work. If you are interested in this, you can use my affiliate link in the description below and get 20% off your purchase. The second downside is that Ninjatrader is not the lightest resource software around. In the past, I used Ninjatrader 8.0 and it did crash on me a few times. So for me, it's not the most stable trading software for futures. But after it upgraded to 8.1, I actually never encountered Ninjatrader crashing or terminating on me anymore. However, that's also probably because I had a more powerful computer at the time. But I do feel that Ninjatrader had become stable. In order to solve this issue, you need to have a strong computer, powerful enough to provide as many resources needed to run the few instances of Ninjatrader. Each instance will need a certain amount of CPU computing power and RAM memory to run. If you have got more instances, then your computer will need to be able to support it by providing all the CPU and RAM that you can give. The premise of this video is that I will show you how to do it for free. And we are not there yet, but this was the only way for a long time. The second method is to trade via Quantower. If you only have one connection, you can actually copy trade using Quantower for free. However, if you want to trade across multiple Rithmic accounts, Quantower does not have a restriction like Ninjatrader, where you can only connect to one Rithmic connection. Instead, you can connect to as many Rithmic connections as you want with Quantower, but this is a paid feature. And if you would like to trade via Quantower and have multiple copy trade connections, you will need to get the multi-asset package, which costs about $50 a month. A little story about my experience with Quantower. I was actually an early beta tester for the copy trading features when Quantower first came out. I really do like Quantower as a product, and the development team behind it is very responsive. But as you know, with all things, especially in the beta stage, everything is just wonky. My experience with Quantower was that there was a setting where you can set a predetermined stop loss and take profit before you even enter. The issue they had in the past was that by the time my order was triggered, the stop loss and take profit were all in iterations of one contract. This is correct because Quant Tower need to separate out the contracts so that if there is any partial take profit or stop loss, they can execute it immediately. However, the problem was that each time I wanted to modify the stop loss or take profit, I need to move each of the contracts one by one. Another issue I had early on was that with Rithmic demo accounts, there were times when the chart was lagging, and when the data feed was lagging for Rithmic, Quant Tower copy trading did not work as well. This means that when there was lagging issue, they were not able to copy the trades. But all these issues were fairly early during the beta development. And I believe that after my feedback and complaints, they did revise the formulation for all the copy trading and stop loss features, making it a very useful product now. However, I stopped using it and moved back to Ninjatrader not long after my stint with Quant Tower. As for the cons, Quant Tower is actually a pretty stable and good platform. I never actually had Quant Tower crash on me before, and you can trade across multiple accounts just using one trade copier open. For the cons, it will cost about $50 a month to have the premium package that allows for copy trading against multiple Rithmic accounts, and you cannot trade Tradovate account using Quant Tower. So those are some of the cons of using Quant Tower. Alright, let's get down to the main purpose of this video. How to trade across multiple Rithmic accounts for free. A little bit of history first. Ninjatrader bought Tradovate in 2022. On paper, this looks like a great match. Ninjatrader, as a legacy software, is bogged down by its age and unable to transform fast enough. It only works on Windows and cannot connect to multiple Rithmic connections. In contrast, Tradovate is web-based, allowing trading also on Mac and mobile devices. It's believed that Ninjatrader wanted these features integrated into their platforms as well. Integration takes time, and for quite some time after Ninjatrader bought Tradovate, nothing special happened. That is, until the upgrade of Ninjatrader version 8.1 in late 2023. In this version, Ninjatrader finally connects to Tradovate. Unlike the connection to Rithmic, you can connect to as many Tradovate accounts as you want. So, why is this important? First, we established that through sandboxing, we can create as many instances of Ninjatrader account as we want. With each Ninjatrader instance, we can connect to one Rithmic account. Each of these Ninjatrader instances can also connect to Tradovate. However, this is where things get interesting. Tradovate is web-based and with its own server, and whatever happens to the orders in one Ninjatrader will flow back to the Tradovate server and reflect back to the same Tradovate account connected in different Ninjatrader. That's right, you can now use the leading Tradovate account as the connector between all the multiple Ninjatrader instances, replacing the Replicanto nodes. Let me show you. I open two Ninjatrader instances via the sandbox. And you can see here, this is all the same Apex Tradovate account. If I move the order in one, let's say I am selling a limit over here, you see that it will create another order in the different Ninjatrader instance. Do note that there's a yellow border over here so that you know that this is a sandbox version. Okay. And as long as I change the order over here, the order in the right side will change as well. This means that as long as I use the Tradovate account as the master account, I can effectively control multiple Ninjatrader accounts. Right. I especially purchased a Tradovate 50k account from Apex for this because it is the cheapest now with the 80% discount. Additionally, we have the simple trade copier, which I introduced in the previous video. You can copy trades from the master account to similar safe account for free. I will set Rithmic account 1 over here to be copied over and Rithmic account 2 to be copied over here and so forth. Then using the Tradovate account as a connector, I can connect multiple instances of Ninjatrader for free. Just by using one Tradovate account, I can control all the different Rithmic accounts for free. But wait, there's more. Look at this. You see? I am able to control all the different Rithmic accounts, but I did not touch any of these two platforms. And why is this so? Where does the orders originate from? I am actually moving the orders to Tradingview. That's right. You are able to connect Tradovate with Tradingview, and by using this connection, I can trade via Tradingview. The orders will transmit through Tradovate to all the different Rithmic accounts in Ninjatrader. Essentially, I am trading all the Rithmic accounts via Tradingview. And that's not all. Why am I not showing my Tradingview desktop then in this video? I am actually not trading Tradovate through Tradingview on my PC. Instead, I am controlling the orders through my phone. That's right. I have Tradingview on my phone and I am able to connect to the Tradovate server and execute my orders through there. There's one more thing. If you are on a Mac, you can trade through the Mac as well via the Tradovate or Tradingview app. You just have to get a separate computer to run the NinjaTrader, or even better, you can run a VPS. I have a link to the NinjaTrader VPS here where you can run a computer in the cloud to run the NinjaTrader software. All you have to do is just link the Tradovate accounts to your NinjaTrader and it's running as if it's on a same computer. What are the pros of this? The whole setup is essentially free. All you need to do is have the prop firm account that you will need to pay for anywhere and to have the connection in NinjaTrader. You need at least one Tradovate account and as many Rithmic or other Tradovate accounts as you want, because that one Tradovate account will be your master account controlling all the different prop firms account. I will now list down the prop firms that have either Rithmic or Tradovate accounts. If you think the information I'm providing here is useful, please use the affiliate links in the description below to access the site when you are purchasing evaluation accounts from the futures prop firm. You get the best discount from the prop firms and I will get a little kickback at no expense to you. However, this approach does have a downside as well. I do not recommend this to anyone who use market orders because despite all this, you do know that we are going through several layers to execute and have the orders going to the final Rithmic account. Instead of the first method where Replicanto order is duplicated across all the multiple instances instantly, the approach with Tradovate has a slight lag. First off, let's say I am trading to Tradingview. Tradingview by itself is not a fast execution platform, and when you're doing the orders in Tradingview, it has a slight delay. It's best to use limit orders when trying to execute this. For trading, your orders go to Tradingview, it is processed, and the orders pass on to the Tradovate server. From the Tradovate server, they go to your local NinjaTrader account via Tradovate, and from there, the orders are then copy traded to different Rithmic prop firms account, and from there to the broker server where the orders are finally reflected. There are multiple layers where the data needs to pass through. And although it happens in a blink of an eye for you, there is a delay due to the loops and layers the orders need to pass through in executing. Additionally, there is an issue with Tradovate unresponsiveness lately. If Tradovate is down, you cannot use Tradingview to place orders. Instead, you have to rely on moving orders in NinjaTrader. If Tradovate is down, the whole execution process until the other Rithmic accounts won't work. Tradovate is essentially a one-to-many connector in this case. And you cannot use TopStep Tradovate account to try this because TopStep disallowed its Tradovate to be connected to NinjaTrader. It is important to note that the Simple Trade Copier Indicator plugin is a market order trade copy. Meaning, if your master account has executed, the simple trade copier will execute the order using a market order. That's why you're not able to see any of the pending orders until the master account has executed. On the other hand, Replicantor is an exact order copier. If your master account is using a market order, the slave account will follow with a market order. And if the master account is using a limit order, the slave account will also use a limit order. That's all I have for today. If you think I have missed anything, do let me know and feel free to let me know how I can improve on the video. I hope you all have a great day and I'll see you on the next one.